Now, I am conducting this class to give you a good explanation of the topic of surds. Surds, in simpler term, you can call it square roots. So let's start with the addition of square roots. So the question number 1 is, it's a very simple, it's 2 to the power 2 square root of 3 plus 3 square root of 3. Now look at the square roots. Under root 3 here, under root 3 here. They both are same. So now just look at the number with them. Here it is 2, it is 3. So we can add them up, right? So here you will get 5 under root 3. Similarly, look at the next question. The question is 6 under root 7 plus 2 under root 7. They both have the same square roots, under root 7, under root 7. So you can add the numbers with them. The here under root 7 with 6 and under root 7 with 2. So 6 plus 2 makes 8 under root 7. Now question number 3 is a little bit different. Just look at it. It is 5 under root 4 plus 2 under root 3 is equals to. Here you have under root 4 and here you have under root 3. This under root 4 and under root 3 both are different, so they cannot be added up. So just copy it as it is. 5 under root 4 plus 2 under root 3. Now let's proceed to the next question. It is 2 under root 12 plus 3 under root 3. Here you have under root 3 here and under root 12 here. Now you can write this under root 12 as 4 into 3 plus 3 under root 3. So this under root 4 is a perfect square. So you can take it out or you can do another step like this. Or you can do it. This is equals to 2 into 2 under root 3 plus 3 under root 3. Here you get 4 under root 3 plus 3 under root 3. Now this under 3 and this under 3, they are exactly same. So you just add up their numbers. So you get here 7 under root 3. Now look at this question. This is question number 5. That is 3 under root 5 plus under root 5. Here you have 1 and here you have 3. Just look at this. This is the under root 5 here, under root 5 here. They both are exactly same. So you can just add them up. You get 4 under root 5. Right? Now let's move on to the next question. The question is 2 under root 3 plus 3 under root 48. Now this question is something like the question number 4. This is 2 under root 3 plus 3. Now this 48 can be written as 16 times 3. Further, you write it as 2 under root 3 plus 3 under root 16 into under root 3. Just take out that 16 into a separate square root. So here you get 2 under root 3 plus 16 is a perfect square of 4. Right. Now you get here 2 under root 3 plus 12 under root 3. Just add them up. You get here similar, because why do we add? Because this is under root 3 and under root 3. Similar square roots, so they can be added. You get 14 under root 3 as the answer. Right? So now we move on to the, after completing this addition of surds, we'll move on to the subtraction of surds. Now look at this question. Now we have to subtract under root 7 from under root 7. They are the exactly same terms. So after subtracting, you get 0 here, right? In the next question, it is the same question as we did in addition. That is 6 under root 3 minus 2 under root 3. Under root 3 here, under root 3 here. They have the same square root terms. So just subtract the terms, numbers with them. That is 6 minus 2 is 4 under root 3. Now in the next question, this is 5 under root 4 minus 2 under root 5. Now these square roots are different. So what you are going to do? You have to just copy it as it is. There will be no change in it. Next, move on to question number 4. This is 2 under root 12 minus 3 under root 3. Here, This is 2. This under root 12 can be written as 4 into 3 minus 3 under root 3. So you get here 2. This 4 is taken out. So you will get 2 here into 3. The sign of multiplication minus 3 under root 3. Or you get here 4 under root 3 minus 3 under root 3. This has same square root terms. So you get here under root 3. Here you have 3 under root 11 minus under root 11. There's no number mentioned here, so it is 1 here. So just subtract. So you get here 2 under root 11. Right? Now let's move on to a little bit lengthy question. This is 6 under root 3 minus under root 48. So again, we'll just split this 48 in 16 into 3. Next, you will get 6 under root 3 minus 16. So here you get 6 under root 3 minus 4 under root 3. Now you have the same under roots in both the terms, so you can subtract them. So you get here 2 under root 3, and this is our answer. Now let's move on to our third topic, that is multiplication of surds or square roots. So question number 1 we are dealing with, it is square root of 8 into square root of 8. In case of multiplication, we just put the value of the square roots in a single root, right? Here you have square root of 8 into square root of 8. Just put them into a single root, right? In this way, and you get 8 as the answer. Now, similarly, in the next question, we have a sign of multiplication between two square roots. Just write 3 as it is, and here it is 1. So it is multiplied with 1. Put the value of square roots in a single root, right? So you get 3, this number, and here square root of 3 into 3 is 3, which is equals to 9, right? Next, move on to question number 3. Now here you have 6 under root 7 and 2 under root 3. Just multiply 6 with 2 first, and then under root 7 to be multiplied with under root 3. So you get here 12 under root 7 into 3 is 21. Similarly, now let's move on to question number 4. You have 2 under root 8 into 2 under root 5. Just multiply these two terms here. So you get 4. 2 into 2 is 4. And then multiply 8 into 5. Further, you can simplify it as 4 into 2 into 5. Now taking out this 4, you will get 4 into 2 into under root 10, or you get here 8 under root 10, right? Now let's move on to question number 5. In this we have 4 under root 12 into 2 under root 3. So what we are going to do, just multiply this 4 with 2, right? And then put the value of square roots in a single root. You get 8 into this 12 can be written as 4 into 3 into 3. Now you can just look at this. This 4 is a perfect square of 2. So just take it out, and here 3 into 3 under root. So 1 will be left out. This makes 16 and 3 48. And this is our required answer. Okay. Now let's move on to our fourth and the last topic, that is division of surds or division of square roots. Question number 1 is under root 8 divided by under root 8. So what we are going to do, just divide under root 8 with under root 8. So you get both the terms got cancelled. You get here 1. In the next question, we have 3 under root 3 upon under root 3. This under root 3 and this 3 is cancelled. So you're left with 3. Now, in question number 6, we have 3. It is 6 under root 7 upon 2 under root 7. As you know, the division of sign, we will be reciprocating the next number, right? So this under root 7 and this is cancelled. And here you have 2 and here's 3. You get here 3. Now, in question number 4, just look at this question. We have 4 under root 12 upon 2 under root 3. We are simply going to cancel this 2 and here it is 2. So you get here 2. Now this 12 can be broken up as 4 into 3, or further you can write under root 3 in the denominator. Now next you can simplify it as 2. This 4 can be written as 4 and here under root 3 upon under root 3. This under root 3, this under root 3 get cancelled, and just take out this perfect square of 4, so you can write it as 2 and the answer is 4, right? Now let's move on to our last question, that is 2 under root 7 divide by 3, so just reciprocate it. Now nothing is get cancelled here, so one thing that we usually do, that we rationalize it. Okay, in rationalizing, just multiply whatever the square root is in the denominator, just multiply and divide the whole term with that value. So you get 2 into under root 7 into 3, and here you get 3, or our answer is 2 under root 21 upon 3. Now this is the end of my class. I hope you understand all the 4 topics, and if you like it, kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.